As you can see, this web page is static, alright? So we want to add a few interactions to make it lively for users to engage in. Okay, so let's create a few functions. What I'll do now, I will duplicate this page, hold down my alternate, click on the entire page, hold down my alternate, let's click and drag to duplicate this page. All right. Okay, so what I need to do now is I need to add a login page to this second page. So I'll double click on this image. I'll come over to background blur here by my bottom right. I'll tap on it, but I don't need that. I need to blur the object. So I'll tap on object blur. I'll reduce the opacity, the level at which the blur would really show. So I'll reduce it. I think 7 is okay. So what I'll do now is I'll create a rectangle. This is just a speed edit, a speed design. Okay, so I'll shape it a little bit like this. Then I'll come over, draw another rectangle right here. I want to create a login page. Okay, so draw another rectangle right here. I'll give it a line color, this color sample, right? Then I'll okay, I think this is okay. Then the line color, the border size, I'll increase it. All right, I'll increase it right here. Let's say 3 and see. Let's do 2, right? 2. Okay, I think 2 is okay. Then I'll come over here, type in email. So this is your input feed where you are inputting your email. Let's select either of these. Okay, select this color right here. I think this font is okay. Email. Let's change the font to this. Let's change the font to this color. Okay, all right. I think I'll cool on that. So I'll select everything here to make a duplicate. Hold down my shift, select, hold down my alternate, drag. All right, what I'll do here is I'll add my email. Sorry, password. Sorry, password. Then the next thing I will do is login, right? Login, that will be my next login. Remember, you need to align them. All right. Let me take up a little bit. Login. I'll do with that color. I'll remove the borderline here. Come here. Login. Select a font here. Helvetica 25 font that was saved already. Come over to color right here. Select white so it can be readable. All right. I think I'll reduce this guy a little bit. I think it's too big. Alright. Sorry. I'll reduce it a little bit. Drop this guy a little bit, okay? This guy, drop it too. Then shift the fonts inside. Shift the fonts inside. Alright. I'll do same with the login. Okay, it's aligning right now, so I'll select everything here. select everything here. Okay, select, and sorry, I didn't select everything. Let me select. Okay, so I can come over here and try to align it. All right, I think I can still see a borderline on this, so I'll remove it. Come here, remove it. So this is just a speed design because I want to add some interactions to it. Come over here, align it. All right, then let's go over to the interaction. Now I want, when you come to home, come to this menu bar here, I want it to be interactive. So I'll come over here, I'll tap on home icon, I'll come over to my top right. This is default state, right? You come to components. Okay, hold on. Come over to, tap on it. You click on this guy here. Okay. Let's do that on the home page. Okay. On the first page. Come over to home. Come to components. Let me remove. Alright. So this is default state. This is how it will be on default. So you come over to this add state. Tap on it. Come to hover state. Tap on hover state. Alright. So you come here, change the color. Change the color. Let's do this color. Alright. Then you go back to default state. Then come over to the next one. Come to default state. Tap the add state. Come to hover effect. You come over, change the color. Alright. Now you see the effect of these effects we are adding right now. Come over to the next one. Come to hover states, change the color, take it back to default state. Come over to the next one, add states, hover states, change the color, go back to the next one. Alright, come over to, we want to make it interactive. Okay, that's what we are doing, so that users will not get bored using the platform. So come over to add states. Alright, come to hover effects, hover state, and we can change the color right here. Can change the color right here. Change the color. Let's do this. Then we can change this one to on. Come over here, add states, hover. Can change it to, sorry, can change it to white, right? Can change it to white. Then you go back to you can go back to default states on the text. Come back to the rectangle, then go back to default states. Alright. Then we can come over to this search icon here. Come over here, hover states. We can change the color. Let's use this color. Alright. Alright, now let's preview and see what we have added so far. Come over to your top right. Okay, you come to this preview right here. Alright, tap on it. Okay, now watch what's going to happen when I take my cursor to my menu bar, home. See right there, the color change. Alright, that's the work of an over effect. Course category, color is changing, just like that, just like that. As you can see, we not add anything to login. That's why it's static. Come over here. See right? See right? Color is changing. Come over here. Okay, I think we did not add. Let's go back to this. Alright. Let's go back to this. come over here. I think we need to take it back to the default state here. Default state, then we can go back. All right, see the color is changing, right? Nice. So let's take it further. Remember, we added a login page here. So when you tap on your login, it's going to take you to the login page, right? So let's go over to prototype, top left, prototype. Okay, tap on it. So once you tap on it, you automatically select the places that you are supposed to prototype default, unless you want to add other prototypes to it. All right, but default to select tests that you are meant to prototype and shapes, rectangles. So right now let's add a prototype to, let's link this login test to the login page. So you tap on it, drag it over to the page. All right, drag over to the page. Then let's do so while we are on the login page, you want to go back to the home page, right? So let's tap on home. You tap on it. All right, drag it over to this page. All right, so I think that's all we need for now, because we only created a login page. We've not created the register page. All right, so back to the first page. Now let's go over to preview. All right, preview. These lines you are seeing right here, are the prototype line, linking the functions, linking everything that you are doing. Okay, so let's go back to the preview. All right, now remember we only added on the login, right? So when I tap on login, right, it has brought me over here. Okay, on my login. So all I need to do is put in my email and my password and login. All right, then I need to go back to my home page. All right, login, home page right here, login, home page right here. So everything we did here is just the default state. All right, default state. As we proceed, we'll talk about your animation, how you want it to animate, how you want your prototype to animate. All right, so that is it on this class. See you guys in the next class.